Hi everyone. Do you remember the first time you tried to speak English? Your mind just went blank, right? Yes, that was me too. I used to feel nervous, shy, and scared of making mistakes. But one day I realized that if I never try, I will never improve. So I start small. I spoke one or two sentences every day, even if my grammar wasn't perfect. Sometimes I recorded myself. Sometimes I spoke in front of the mirror. At first, it felt awkward, but slowly my confidence grown up. After that, I was never afraid of making mistakes because I learned from them. The real fear is not to speaking wrong; it's about not speaking at all. So, if you are afraid to speak English, start today. Spoke one line today, then two, then a conversation. Remember, every fluent speaker once a beginner who refused to give up. So start today. All the best. Thank you for watching.